Welcome back, guys. So right now we want to use the same app integration. We want to generate faceless videos. So as a social media manager, there are cases where you would have to create a video. So all you have to do is to come to this apps session. So I'm going to come to apps, then I'm going to come search for videos right here. So I'm going to come search for videos. Then having to search for videos, you could see different video apps. So we have faceless video, we have this, we have that, we have a whole lot of them. So but at the same time, let's say you want to create a real video, so you could say something like real video, and let's see if we have anything like that. So let's say what we have, let's see what we have right now. Transform text into hyper realistic images. We have this, we have this, and let's see. So we have faceless video. I would love to use faceless video. So here you could humanize your design with talking AI avatar. So we could do all this and see how to use all this seamlessly. So you could generate HD videos with voiceovers for social media. Yes, AI faceless videos. So let's see how to use this. Let's see how to use them. So the first thing I want to do, let me explore this. Let me explore this faceless video. So we are going to generate faceless videos with text prompts. Just provide topic or prompt word to generate a virtual character video created by AI with character voice. The characters in the video are all created by AI, and no real people or faces will appear. So let's use this. So I'm going to use this in a new design, and I'm going to use a video landscape or portrait. It depends. So let's use something like this. I think something like this will be better. So let's have this, and here we're going to create the video right away. So that's how we can create that. So you see that we just integrated an app into this design, and that is what we're going to use. So we're going to be able to use this integrated app, as you could see it right here, which is Faceless Video. That's just the name. The name is just Faceless Video, and I could describe the topic right here of the video I want. So let's say talk about the life. Yes, talk about being productive, being productive as a tech enthusiast. Yes, as a tech enthusiast, from time management to defeating imposter syndrome, and so on. So we can have something like this, and let's generate a video for it. So you use one faceless video credits. You can already create one with this, but let's see how that goes. So let me see additional configuration, story type. So it's going to be, see the story types. So it's going to be font fat. Yes, let's use font fat. Video style, we could use cinematic, we could use photorealistic. So let's leave it at photorealistic, or you could use anime, depends. So let's use photorealistic, and language should be English, and the speech, the voice should be, you could choose any of those voices. So I'm going to choose this. Then the subtitle font, the subtitle fonts could be anything. So let's just generate a video and see what we have with that. So I'm going to wait for the video to be generated so we could see what we have, and this way we are trying to use the Canva app to generate a video for ourselves. So we have the video generated, but let's see what the video looks like. It's just a 52 seconds video, so you could play it right here.
Did you know that studies show?
So we could show it right here, and all we have to do is to download it. So I'm going to download that video. So that video has been generated, and here we have it. So we could just go on and see what we created. So you could
that multitasking boosts productivity by as much as 40%. This surprising statistic highlights how our brains are wired to focus on one task at a time. For tech enthusiasts, mastering time management is crucial. Juggling various projects and ideas often leads to feeling overwhelmed.
Okay, so we have this. All I have to do is to add it to the design. and we're going to have it in our design template. So, and all I have to do is just to replace it. I'm going to set video as background. Then we're going to have it as the background of our design, and that way we'll be able to upload this successfully. So we have this video created through using an app that was integrated into Canva, and that is why we have this. So you could go on to just put something like our logo. Yes, you could go on to put a brand logo. So how do I go about that? So all I have to do is come to uploads, and having to come to uploads, I'm going to come check for my logo just to splash it on this. So I'm going to look for the logo to splash on that. So we have this, and yes, I'm going to just take this logo. I could bring in this blue one or bring in the white one since it has a deeper background. So I could bring in this white one and just make it smaller this way. And there we have it. So all you have to do is to download this. So you download this video. So you could say tech enthusiast, or you could name it tech enthusiast. Yes. So I'm going to share this. I'm going to share this. Then I'm going to download this right away as an MP4. So I'm going to have that downloaded, and that way I'm going to have this video I just created with this Canva AI. I'm just going to have it downloaded this way, and we are good to go. So you could do more and more. Aside from this, you could see we have more tools you can use. Not just that, you could use other tools right here. As you could see, you could convert slides to videos. You could try it out, and let me see a very good one as well. So you could humanize your design with talking AI avatar videos. Yes, this looks great as well. So you could create video from text and images. Yes, this is perfect as well. You could use this as well, generate HD videos with voiceovers for social media. Yes, and you could create stylized videos with text, images, or videos. Yeah, so we have all these and they all look good. You could try them one by one and see what they can offer you. So we have a lot of that, but right now I've just shown you how to integrate an app to create videos, and there we are. So you could check the download, and there's a video right here. So we have the subtitle of the video right now. Yes, and we have the plain video with our subtitle. So this is the plain video. So we are good to go, and this way we just created a video with Canva. So you could go ahead to post it on different social media. You could actually do it directly from Canva if you want to. So this is Canva right here. You could choose to do it directly. You could choose to just say you want to share to your social media pages. So you could start this sharing from Facebook. Since Facebook is connected to this, so that's the MP4. So I could just paste this, and yes, I could say this is a message. This is a message to our dear creatives and tech enthusiasts. So we're going to have something like this, and we could input the hashtag glad creative. Yes, perfect. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to publish it right now to my Facebook page. That's what I just did since it has been connected. So we're going to publish it right away, and that will be published. Then you could go ahead to publish on different pages, on the LinkedIn page, on the X page. So it depends on where you want to post. So these are the things that makes your work easier as a social media manager, and I'm just showing you how to use Canva, just a tool to achieve that. So Canva is just a tool. Just imagine using just this tool as a social media manager to achieve a lot of things. So this is where it all comes in, and that way I'm going to share this particular video to Facebook. So I could go ahead to share to Twitter, which is now X. I could share to LinkedIn as well. I could share to Instagram. It depends on how I want to post or where I want to post them. So it's as easy as that. And this time around, we are trying to publish this to Facebook. We're going to wait for that to be published. And right now, it has been published. So all I have to do is to check out the post. So I'm just going to check out the post, and you see that the post is right here on Facebook, and here we are. So this is the post right now, and we could just go ahead to see what we've created so far, which looks good to me. And this is a message to our dear creatives and tech enthusiasts. Yes, so we have this covered. As you can see, the logo is right there, and everything looks perfect, seemed perfect. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.